Hi guys, Clip from the Sunday Drive. Thanks for tuning in. It's going to be a really quick video today. We're just going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on your 5th gen Camaro. Pull up this weather stripping. Now you're going to have 3 push pins you got to remove. 1, 2, 3. And go ahead and remove this on the side there, and this will lift out. Pull it loose. Once you have that all removed, you're going to go ahead and now flip this top part down. So push this down with your thumb, comes up, slides off. You remove the old filter, replace it with the new one, and as you can see, it has a direction for the airflow. You want the airflow obviously going towards the inside of the cabin, not out. Put this back on, simply have it clip in place right there. All right, to reinstall this, you're going to want to slip this up under here. You're going to make sure that this little lip right in there inserts under this trim on your windshield, and it slides right up in there, a nice clean fit. It should be flush with the other trim piece. And go ahead and just reinsert your push pins. There you have it, guys. That's all to changing the cabin air filter on your 5th gen Camaro. Talk to you guys later.